Friends, let's have the reading of newspaper of 11th June 2024. No change at the helm in the key union ministers. The government of Narendra Modi has repeated similar concept and the things. Here is the ministers who assume the authorities and ministries. Rajnath Singh as an defense minister, Amit Shah home minister and cooperation, Nitin Gadkari road and transport minister, JP Nadda health and family welfare and chemical and fertilizer, Shivraj Singh Chauhan agriculture and farmer welfare and rural development, Nirmala Sitharaman finance and corporate affairs, S. Jaishankar external affairs, Manohar Lal Khattar housing and urban affairs and power, H.D. Kumaraswamy heavy industries and steel, Piyush Goyal commerce and industry, Dharmendra Pradhan education, Jitan Ram Manji micro, small and MSME minister, Rajiv Ranjan Singh Panchayati Raj and fishery or animal husbandry and dairy, Sarbando Sonowal port, shipping and waterway, Virender Kumar social justice and empowerment, K. Ram Mohan Naidu civil aviation, Prahlad Joshi consumer affairs, food and public distribution, new and renewable energy, Julom Oram tribal affairs, Giriraj Singh textile, Ashwani Vaishnav railway information and broadcasting technology, electronic and information technology, Jyotiraditya Scindia communication and development of northeastern region, Bhupendra Yadav environment, forest and climate change, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat cultural and tourism, Annapurna Devi women and child development, Kiran Rijiju parliament and minority affairs, Hardeep Singh Puri petroleum and natural gas, Mansukh Mandaviya labor and employment and youth affairs, G. Kishan Reddy coal and mine, Chirag Paswan food processing industries, C.R. Patil Jal Shakti. Another news is centrist humbled far-right surge as 4-day European Union poll end. In this election of European Union, there is a gain for the far right-wing parties and right-wing parties. Move on to the next. Migrant worker in Manipur provided security, say Biren. A miscreant in the state had gunned down an Adivasi laborer from Jharkhand on May 18. Advanced security convoy of Manipur CM attacked. The condition of Manipur is getting worse day by day. Poll campaigns lead to increase in social tension, say RSS chief. Involvement of LTT militants suspected in Rahisi bus attack, probe on. Soldier patrolling on the area fall into the deep jaws after being fired by suspected militant in Rahisi district. Nawaz Sharif praises Modi for third term, asked to seize the opportunity. PM Kisan Nidhi installment released to 9.3 crore farmers. ISRO released images of sun captured by the Aditya L1 during May. This news is from Science. Understand the Indian Ocean and you will understand much about Earth. Indian Ocean is among the fastest warming ocean, with dire consequences for heat wave and rain over the subcontinent. Marine heat wave are also a concern now for coral and fisheries. The Indian Ocean is also playing a role in how well the Pacific Ocean can control global warming. Despite being the smallest tropical ocean, the Indian Ocean influence has become impossible to understate. Ocean take up over 90% of the additional heat more greenhouse in the atmosphere are trapping. This talk about the from warp speed to reset the state of India-US ties. A push for more climate actions. The advisory opinion by the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea is a high point in international climate change litigation. Why India need a third aircraft carrier? In this article, author talk about the need for second indigenous aircraft carrier. Right now we have two aircraft carrier. First indigenously aircraft carrier is INS Vikrant, and IAC would replace INS Vikramaditya, a 46,000-ton furnace Russian Kiev class vessels, and in that way we will have the aircraft carrier along the two sides of the sea and one reserve, and it will substantiate and back the skill of that we have garnished in the making of first indigenously aircraft carrier building. Confidence about economy decline after consistency recovery. The number of countries to attend Swiss hosted Ukraine summit. 90 of the 160 invitations sent out. Many countries and organizations, half from the Europe, have confirmed attendance the Swiss hosted Ukraine peace summit despite Russia's refusal to participate. The number of internally displaced people in Sudan, 10 million people. The tally of internally displaced people in Sudan include 2.83 million driven from their home before current war began. More than 2 million other people have been driven abroad. The cut rate in Pakistan Central Bank 20.5%, amidst the better than anticipations decline in inflation. State Bank of Pakistan reduced interest rate by 1.5% point to 20.5% amid the improvement in inflation. The number of sunstroke deaths confirmed in Odisha, 41 people have died in this heat stroke case. On a special category status for Andhra Pradesh. Why is demand for special status for Andhra Pradesh back in the political limelight? Why did Chandrababu Naidu back in 2018 settle for a special package? Is the state qualified to be granted special status? What did the 14th Finance Commission said? The concept for special category status was first brought into the existence through the recommendations made by the Fifth Finance Commission in 1969. It was done to benefit a few states through special grants from the center. 5 factors stood as the qualifying benchmark for the granting of special category status. States that comprise a majority tribal population, low density of population, hilly state, and close to the international border state that have socio-economical and industrial backwardness and lack of adequate state finance. Ever since the bifurcation of unified Andhra Pradesh, the residual state has been facing a revenue deficit. Additionally, the debt of the state has shot up enormously. The news is about what happening in French territory of New Caledonia. And widespread protests and riots erupted in New Caledonia in response to the French Parliament decision to amend the voters list. The new amendment will pave the way for incorporating citizens who were either born or live in the territory for at least 10 years. Knask, the indigenous community of the territory, opposed this on claim that it dilutes their electoral power, thus marginalizing them. Post-World War II, New Caledonia's migration pattern increasingly reflect that of what the Kank call settler colonialism. Heat, how is eliminated engines and global warming. Understand the microscopic and macroscopic characteristic of heat has been crucial for metallurgy and material science, mining, refining, and a large variety of chemical reaction among other areas. PV sale dip 1% year-on-year on impact of heat. Poll FADA. Center retain GPF interest rate for current quarter at 7.1%. Paytm layoff employee as part of restructuring. Medical leisure market in India growing rapidly in India as an access increase. Alma. Access to the aesthetics is showcased in Alma's research and development process as we are investing in innovating approach to enable treatment for diverse range of skin type, even the most complicated ones, to enable aesthetics for all. How fintech are still attracting entrepreneurs in the startup universe. Gigafactory battery pack unit at Amara Raj set to go live. How the US is daring the world to find an alternative to the dollar. Some have questioned the strength of US rule of law, which is seen as holding up the dollar as a world reserve currency. Following the convictions of Donald Trump and potential seizures of Russia's assets. But even if US assets are less attractive than they were before, other options are worse. Consternations is growing at home abroad about the consequence of US hubris, but despite trying, no one so far has been able to find a credible alternative. Japan first quarter GDP fell less than first reported on revised capex. Nation compete for Chinese EV factory despite EU tariff. Russian troop claim capture of village in eastern Ukraine. Military plane carrying Malawi vice president goes missing. Tighter rule for deporting failed asylum seeker take effect in Japan. Militant aligned to Islamic State kill dozen in eastern Congo. North Korea and more balloons as Kim's sister issue warning. Blinken in West Asia to push for Gaza ceasefire as Israeli troops advance. Both Israel and Hamas doubled down on hardline positions that have spurred all previous attempts to end the fighting in Gaza Strip. Prime Minister Netanyahu said not ready to stop war without achieving the goal of eliminating Hamas. Macron called snap legislative election after far-right gain. India welcomed Egypt, Iran, UAE, Saudi Arabia and Ethiopia joining BRICS. Australian PM called for calm after attack on US consulate office. He has activists on both sides of the Israel and Palestine debate to turn the heat down. Sudan paramilitary group loot a main hospital in Darfur. Successful rescue raid for the Israelis. Day of horror for Palestine in Gaza. Switzerland hosts summit aimed at working out Ukrainian peace process. South China's dragon boat racing attract huge crowd. That's from my side, friends. Jai Hind.